Muscadine grape is not your everyday table grape. It actually is only grown in the southeastern United States. So the difference between a muscadine and a regular table grape is the fact that when you have a table grape, you have this long, what's called a rachis, and your grapes are attached to it, and you're picking the whole cluster. When you are doing a muscadine, it's singular, so you only have one grape at a time. With muscadines, we generally have two colors, what's called purple or black, and then bronze colors are the two most common ones in muscadine. A friend of mine in Arkansas refers to these as an outside grape because many times when you eat a muscadine, you're spitting out the seeds, you don't usually swallow them. So muscadine grapes have a couple of nice little health benefits. They're high in vitamin C, and they also have manganese, which is a little bit more unusual, and manganese is very important for sugar metabolism and breaking down starches and sugars in your body. So you have to figure out, first of all, are these going to be fully ripe? And this one is underripe, it's not fully colored. So this is not going to be very sweet, and it's also pretty hard, so it's going to be hard to chew. The other one on the bronze, or the, in this case, green, this one is actually fully ripe because it's soft. This one has been sitting around a little bit longer, so it's got more of the classic or bronze look to it, and it's still okay to eat. However, you can get to the point where they're overripe, and in this case, what you have is wrinkles. The other thing that can happen, and it's particularly obvious in the bronze grapes, you get these black spots, and sometimes this is from a disease, a plant disease, and sometimes it's from something that we don't really know what it's from, maybe chilling damage. But again, this is usually a turn-off. Most consumers don't want to eat something that looks like this. Muscadines will keep in the refrigerator. They'll probably keep for about a week, maybe even 2 weeks. Thanks for watching Homegrown, and go get your Grape of the South.